Iran. The name evokes a sense of mystery, a land that has been the cradle of civilization for thousands of years. It is a land of ancient history and vibrant culture, where the echoes of the past resonate through the ruins of Persepolis and the intricate designs of its ancient architecture. But beyond the headlines and the historical landmarks, Iran is a country of breathtaking natural beauty that often goes unnoticed. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alborz Mountains to the scorching expanses of the Dasht-e Kavir desert, from the lush, verdant Hyrcanian forests to the sparkling coastlines of the Caspian Sea and the Persian Gulf, Iran's landscapes are as diverse as its people, each region offering a unique tapestry of natural wonders. Imagine towering mountain ranges, their peaks piercing the clouds, offering a majestic backdrop to the bustling cities below. Picture vast deserts shimmering under the relentless sun, where the silence is broken only by the whisper of the wind. Envision lush green forests teeming with life, a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna, and tranquil coastlines kissed by the waves of two great seas, where the horizon seems to stretch into infinity. This is Iran, a land of dramatic contrasts, where the rugged and the serene coexist in perfect harmony. Here, beauty unfolds at every turn, from the bustling bazaars to the serene countryside. In this visual journey, we'll explore some of Iran's most captivating scenic treasures, each more breathtaking than the last. Prepare to be amazed by the raw beauty and untouched wonders that await discovery in this remarkable land, a place where every corner holds a new adventure and every vista tells a story. Dominating the skyline of northern Iran, the Alborz Mountains stand as guardians of the land. These towering giants have witnessed centuries of history, culture, and natural beauty, shaping the lives of those who dwell in their shadow. Stretching for over 600 miles, these majestic peaks are home to Mount Damavand, the highest peak in the Middle East. Rising to an impressive height of 5,610 meters, Mount Damavand is not just a mountain, but a symbol of Iranian pride and resilience. Imagine snow-capped summits, their slopes cloaked in verdant forests. These forests are teeming with diverse flora and fauna, creating a vibrant ecosystem that supports life in many forms. Picture crystal-clear rivers cascading down valleys, their waters reflecting the azure sky. These rivers are lifelines for the communities, providing water for agriculture and daily life, and creating serene landscapes that soothe the soul. The Alborz Mountains offer a paradise for nature enthusiasts. From bird-watching to botanical studies, the range is a living laboratory for scientists and a haven for those seeking tranquility. Hiking trails wind through alpine meadows carpeted with wildflowers. These trails offer not just physical challenges, but also spiritual rejuvenation, as hikers connect with nature in its purest form. Ski resorts beckon adventurers to carve their mark on pristine slopes. Whether you're a seasoned skier or a beginner, the Alborz Mountains provide the perfect backdrop for winter sports. And ancient villages nestled in the valleys offer a glimpse into traditional Iranian life. These villages, with their unique architecture and rich cultural heritage, tell stories of a time when life was simpler yet deeply connected to the land and its rhythms. Venture into the heart of Iran, and you'll encounter the Dasht-e Kavir, the Great Salt Desert. A vast expanse of shimmering salt flats and wind-sculpted dunes, the Dasht-e Kavir is a place of stark beauty and profound silence. Imagine a landscape painted in shades of ochre, brown, and white. Picture towering sand dunes, their crests rippling in the desert wind. The silence of the desert is broken only by the whisper of the wind, a constant reminder of the power of nature. Despite its harsh conditions, the Dasht-e Kavir harbors unique life forms adapted to this extreme environment. Along Iran's northern frontier lies a different world, the lush Caspian Sea coast. Here, verdant hills roll down to meet the azure waters of the Caspian Sea, creating a landscape of breathtaking beauty. Imagine emerald green rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see. Picture tea plantations clinging to the slopes, their leaves shimmering in the sunlight. The air is thick with the scent of citrus groves, and the sound of waves crashing on the shore provides a soothing melody. The Caspian Sea coast offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. In the southeastern reaches of Iran lies the Lut Desert, a place of extreme temperatures and otherworldly landscapes. The Lut Desert holds the record for the hottest surface temperature ever recorded on Earth, a testament to its unforgiving nature. Imagine a surreal landscape of towering rock formations, sculpted by centuries of wind and erosion. Picture vast plains of scorched earth, their surfaces cracked and parched. Despite its harsh conditions, the Lut Desert possesses an eerie beauty. The silence is broken only by the occasional gust of wind, a reminder of the power of nature. Stretching for over 900 miles, the Zagros Mountains form a formidable barrier across western Iran. Rugged peaks, deep gorges, and fertile valleys characterize this dramatic landscape. Imagine snow-capped summits towering above lush green valleys. Picture cascading waterfalls plunging into crystal-clear rivers, their waters reflecting the azure sky. The Zagros Mountains are home to a rich tapestry of life, from nomadic tribes who roam the high pastures to diverse flora and fauna that thrive in this varied terrain. Along Iran's southern coast, the turquoise waters of the Persian Gulf lap against pristine beaches. From secluded coves to bustling resort towns, the Persian Gulf offers a slice of paradise for beach lovers. Imagine soft white sand beaches stretching as far as the eye can see. Picture palm trees swaying gently in the breeze, their fronds casting dancing shadows on the sand. The warm waters of the Gulf invite you to swim, snorkel, or simply relax and soak up the sun. The Persian Gulf beaches offer a perfect escape for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. In the northeast corner of Iran lies Golestan National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and a testament to the country's biodiversity. This sprawling park encompasses a diverse range of ecosystems, from dense forests to rolling hills and grasslands. Imagine dense forests teeming with life, their canopies alive with the sounds of birdsong. Picture cascading waterfalls plunging into crystal-clear pools, their waters reflecting the vibrant greenery. Golestan National Park is home to a remarkable array of wildlife, including Persian leopards, brown bears, wolves, and over 150 bird species. It's a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Nestled in the rugged and majestic mountains of northwestern Iran, Lake Urmia shimmers like an emerald in the heart of the desert, a breathtaking sight that captivates all who lay eyes on it. Once one of the largest saltwater lakes in the world, it was a vital ecosystem teeming with life and a crucial resource for the surrounding communities. However, in recent years, Lake Urmia has shrunk dramatically due to prolonged drought and extensive water diversion for agricultural and industrial purposes. Imagine a vast expanse of turquoise water stretching as far as the eye can see, a serene and tranquil oasis amidst the arid landscape. Its surface shimmers under the relentless desert sun, reflecting the sky and creating a mesmerizing dance of light and color. Picture flocks of graceful flamingos wading in the shallows, their elegant movements adding to the lake's ethereal beauty. Their vibrant pink plumage stands in stark contrast to the deep blue water, creating a scene that looks almost otherworldly. Efforts are now underway to restore Lake Urmia to its former glory, involving both local and international organizations. These initiatives serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving such natural wonders, ensuring that future generations can also experience their splendor and learn from their history. Community involvement and environmental education are key components of these restoration efforts, fostering a sense of stewardship and responsibility among the local population. With continued dedication and support, there is hope that Lake Urmia will once again thrive, standing as a testament to the resilience of nature and the power of collective action. From towering mountains to vast deserts, from lush forests to sparkling coastlines, Iran's landscapes are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Each region offers a unique tapestry of sights, sounds, and experiences, inviting you to explore and discover the hidden gems of this remarkable land. Whether you seek adventure in the mountains, tranquility by the sea, or the solitude of the desert, Iran's diverse landscapes offer something for everyone. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and embark on a journey to discover the breathtaking scenery of Iran. Iran's stunning landscapes have left you wanting more, haven't they? The world is full of hidden treasures and breathtaking scenery, just waiting to be explored. Tell us, which corner of the globe would you like to discover next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this visual journey through Iran's scenic wonders, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring travel content. Happy travels!